Hey everyone, I'm Andrew.
I'm Dennis.
We are the Crafty Lumberjacks.
Our latest video on HGTV Handmade just came out, our summer vintage camper planter.
Yeah, we love this project. Every time we shoot, we try to document the process, but it's really hard for us because we shoot 6 videos in 2 days.
Every shoot, we have to pitch our ideas to our producer. We gather up some of our ideas and put them on a spreadsheet and send them to her. Once we get the A-OK from the producer, we can move forward on the projects, and that's kind of when we go, oh. Because a lot of the times we haven't kind of fully figured out how we're going to construct the crafts that we come up with.
Yeah, so they're just like general ideas, and yeah, we haven't thought about like logistics.
And that kind of happened with the camper planter.
We knew we wanted to make the camper planter out of cement, and we wanted to make a mold. We tried to make it out of cardboard first, which we thought was going to be a great idea, but it really didn't turn out the way we wanted. It was warping and the texture was weird. So we tried insulation foam and it worked really well. We were happy with it. But on top of just trying to do a cement project in our 1-bedroom apartment, we have to do swap outs.
Because we're filming 6 videos in the course of 2 days, we don't want to sit around for paint to dry. We don't want to sit around for cement to dry. So a lot of times you see one craft in the whole video, but there's really about 7 that are partially done, 4 that are fully done. Just in case something goes wrong on camera. We don't want to waste the time. We just want to get the video done.
And that's just like a little tidbit behind the scenes of our process.
Yes, how we make it work in our 1-bedroom apartment. If you want to see the full video, we'll leave the link to the YouTube video, and you can either make your own or just kind of see how it turned out.
Bye.
Bye.